Welcome to Call Familiar, a passion project over a decade in the making, and hopefully in your hands sometime this year in some form or another. Call Familiar is powered by Ari Tabletop Engine, which is what we're building. It's a graphics engine for displaying and running aspects, which are our basic asset type. This is the most basic aspect editor, and it's for making stuff like animated profile pictures, animated backgrounds, things like that. So yeah, we're trying to get this thing done in the next few weeks. This is the first one we're going to get to 100% completion, and so yeah, I thought it'd be a good time to show it off, so let's jump right in. This is Akla, a character who is designed and drawn by one of the players of my previous campaigns. And in one game, Akla finds a magic cigar, although I found this one on the internet. And I thought this might be a good vehicle to show off some of the features of this aspect editor. Alright, so let's pick some stuff up. First, this is in the wrong place, and I think it looks more mysterious when it goes in front of her eye. That's pretty good. I think let's do an edge as well, so it kind of has a little bit of variance. It kind of spouts out from different spots at this edge upward. Yeah, I like that. Alright, let's do some organization next. This is gonna get ugly fast if we don't have organization. We'll make like a images group. I wish I could do F2 to edit name. I'm doing that soon. That's annoying me. Alright, and we'll make another group for particles. Cool. Because the first thing we want to do is add a new particle emitter. This one is for smoke, and the new one will be for embers. Alright, we added this new particle emitter here, and it's not very helpful at the moment. Let's make its velocity 0. And let's give it, instead of point, circle. Yeah, so now particles will kind of appear in this space. Great. I need to scale it up a little bit. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, cool. Coloration, let's do yellow. A little opacity in red. Not an artist, FYI. It looks okay. Maybe let's do additive instead of out. Yeah, okay, cool. That looks pretty good. There are widgets all around. It's a little hard to see, so let's see what this would look like in its final form. The profile pictures are 1:1. I mean, they can be any size, really, and we'll make them fit. The game tables are closer to 16:10, so we got previews for both. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. One thing I noticed, I'd really like the embers to be under the smoke. Yeah, cool. That looks pretty good. Alright, so like I said, these are animatable, and I think that's something we'll tackle on a next time. But I would like to set up one last thing to make it easy to do for next time. Let's give it a background. Oop, move the image. Alright, let's lock this so I can't move it. And just so I don't mess up the focal point, let's hide it. Alright, cool. Let's make this like a black background. And we'll put this behind everything. Cool. So now you can imagine like a cool effect where we animate. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. Alright. This is cool. This has been fun. I think we're going to stop it here, and next time we'll look at some animations and some other stuff that the aspect rendering index or Ari can do and Call Familiar. And I look forward to seeing you then. Bye!